Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a quick backup. This protects original data. Once backed up, scan to identify repeated unwanted text patterns like prefixes, trailing notes, or invisible characters. Now open Find and replace with Ctrl+H and test a single cell first. Use wildcards if needed, and also consider using trim and clean later to fix spaces or non-printing characters. Once you see the sample result is correct, you're ready to expand the replace across the target range, careful and deliberate. Now you move into precise removal. If text follows a structure, use substitute to replace exact fragments or left/right/mid combined with find to extract what you want. This gives predictability. Apply trim and clean to strip extra spaces and non-printing characters. Invisible junk often causes errors. For many rows, use flash fill for simple patterns, or load the range into Power Query to apply column transforms and remove substrings. Power Query is repeatable and ideal for larger datasets and complex patterns. Finish by converting any formula results to values so edits don't change later. Copy and paste special values. Then scan with LEN and code to confirm no hidden characters remain. If something went wrong, use undo immediately or restore the backup copy you made earlier. Don't wrestle with a corrupted sheet. One key troubleshooting tip: if replacements affect unintended cells, narrow the selection and rerun, find and replace on only the intended columns. That prevents accidental mass edits and keeps data safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.